The information transparency in Azerbaijan's state bodies is below the standards specified in the national law on the right to obtain information. The Open Government Initiative is failing to meet its promises. According to the results of the biannual monitoring by the Multimedia Center conducted across 64 state websites, the transparency level of these official state websites is 33.5%. Center Director Osman Gündüz reported that this figure was approximately 27% in 2011. Lawyer Alasker Mehmetli noted that the state organizations before which citizens have tax and other obligations have the top transparency rankings, for example, the Ministry of Taxes, State Social Protection Fund, Ministry of Communications, and so on. State bodies that are responsible for reporting to citizens, for example, the Cabinet of Ministers, have the lowest level of transparency. Online services for citizens are few, and ones that exist are poorly designed. Only 118 out of 261 services specified by the National E-Government Initiative are provided by 39 state organizations. The law of the Azerbaijan Republic on the right to obtain information was adopted in 2005 and is in terms of what it promises an excellent law. Under this law, international and local experts hoped for low levels of corruption and transparency across the government. The reality is that this law has essentially been sabotaged by government bodies. The websites of city and regional executive powers are not transparent, a clear indicator of this weakness. The information transparency of local executive powers is on average 7%, but in some regional bodies it stands at 0. Turan Information Agency Director Mehman Aliyev stated that 33% is a shocking figure. How can you slander others, insult them, and then justify yourselves saying that there is a minor rise in transparency? And yet you require the victims not to appeal to courts, but rather wait until the situation gets better, asked Aliyev. Osman Gündüz stated that outcomes of the monitoring, along with recommendations, shall be submitted to relevant state bodies. The goal here is to ensure the transparency of online resources. The event was attended by representatives from 15 out of the 64 monitored state organizations.